Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 10 of How to Crochet Granny Square series. In today's tutorial, we will be diving into a fun project crocheting a beautiful star granny square. If you have been following my channel, you might remember I have already crocheted a project featuring this exact pattern. Once you have finished making your own star granny square, be sure to check out my tutorial on how to turn this square into a stylish star granny square messenger bag. So grab your materials and let's get started. For this granny square, I am using a 3-ply yarn, a 3 mm hook, scissor and a weaving needle. You can use any type and any size of hook. I am just showing you how to create this star granny square. Now, we will begin by taking green color. Just take the tail on the left hand and the working yarn on the right hand and wrap it around your left hand fingers in such a way that it makes an X. Now insert the hook under the bottom yarn and pull the upper yarn and twist the yarn to make a loop. Now chain 1 from the working yarn to make a chain 1. Now take out your fingers. Now work chain 2, 1 and 2. So you have total of 3 chains. Now work total of 14 double crochets into the magic circle. Pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the magic circle, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In the same way, work total of 14 double crochets and chain 3. This chain 3 is my 15th double crochet. So at the end we have total of 15 double crochets including this chain 3. Okay, I will meet you then. Now I have worked total of 14 double crochets and chain 3 as 15th double crochet. Now pull the tail to close the magic circle and slip stitch into the chain 3. Now chain 5. This is my second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. This is the first chain, this is the second, and work a single crochet. Now in the next stitch, fourth chain, work a half double crochet. Into the next chain, work a double crochet, and into the last chain, work a triple crochet. You have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you can see a point is created. Now 1, 2, 3. Count from this stitch 1, 2, and into the third stitch work a slip stitch. Now again work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the second chain from the hook, work a single crochet. Into the next chain, work a half double crochet. Into the next chain, work a double crochet. Into the last chain, work a triple crochet. Now count 1, 2, 3 into the third, work a slip stitch. In the same way, follow the same stitch pattern 3 more times to make these points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3 into the third stitch, work a slip stitch, make 2 more, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have worked total of 5. Now 3 stitches left. 1, 2, 3 into the third stitch, work a slip stitch, chain 1, and cut off the yarn. You can see our star is created. Now in 2 rounds we have just crocheted over star. Now 2 more rounds to go, and we will convert this star into a granny square. Now I am going to switch my color. Just attach the yarn into one of the points and chain 1. Now work a half double crochet into the next stitch. Now work a double crochet into the next stitch. Now work a triple crochet into the next stitch. Now work triple crochet 2 together stitch to join these points or sides, whatever you say. Insert the hook into the stitch. So you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Now again into the next stitch, work a triple crochet. Into the next stitch, work a double crochet. Into the last stitch, work a half double crochet. So this is how we crochet over one side. Now end this round by working a single crochet into the next point. Now into the next stitch, work a half double crochet. Into the next, work a double crochet. Into the next stitch, work a triple crochet. Now triple crochet 2 together stitch. Into the next stitch, work a triple crochet. Yarn over twice. Into the next stitch, work a double crochet. Into the last, work a half double crochet, and end this side by working a single crochet into the next point. So in this way, work all the sides. Half double crochet, double crochet, into the next half double crochet. Let me tell you clearly. Half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet. Triple crochet 2 together stitch, triple crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and again single crochet into this, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have worked all the sides. Normally we end this round by working single crochet, but this time I am going to work a slip stitch into the now you can see I have 5 sides. Now I am going these 5 sides into 4 sides, or in other words, this pentagon is going to be a square into the next round. Now into the next round, chain 1. So into the next stitch, work a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, work a double crochet. Into the next stitch, work a triple crochet. Now into the next stitch, we are going to work over corner, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and again work triple crochet into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch, work a triple crochet. Into the next stitch, work a double crochet. Next stitch, work a half double crochet, and into the next 3 stitches work single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now here This is our corner, and our stitch pattern is going to repeat again from half double crochet and ends at 3 single crochets in each of 3 stitches, last 3 stitches. Now I am again going to show you one more time the stitch pattern. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, work a half double crochet, into the next stitch, work a double crochet, into the next stitch, work a triple crochet. Next stitch is going to be our corner, work a triple crochet, chain 2 and triple crochet into the same stitch, into the next stitch, again work a triple crochet, work a double crochet, work a half double crochet and single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see one corner, second corner in the same way, following the same stitch pattern from half double crochet and ends at single crochet 2 more times to work a square. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Now I have 3 stitches left. Work single crochet in next 3 stitches and 3. Now work a slip stitch where we work chain 1, now our star is transitioned into a square, our pentagon. Now it's totally up to you. You can work another round of double crochet. I am going to just block the square to make it a totally square shape. Now for the last round I am again going to switch my color and I am going to work, attach the yarn into the corner, chain 3, 2, 3 and chain 2 and work half double crochet into the same and work a single crochet in each stitch. Now 3 half double crochets into the corner, 1, 2 and 3, and again work a single crochet in each stitch, following the same stitch pattern, single crochet in each stitch into the corner, work 3 half double crochets and reach here. Now into the last corner work a half double crochet, as we have worked chain 2 and half double crochet. So into the chain 2 work a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Now our star granny square is ready. Now hide the tails. Thanks for watching this star granny square tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making this much as I did. Don't forget, if you want to take this project a step further, head over to my messenger bag tutorial where you can use this granny square to create something really special. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future crochet projects. See you in the next one. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.